Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new in my channel, then let me introduce myself. I'm Sharmin Shuma from Bangladesh. I make videos mostly on makeup, hairstyle, hair care and skin care, and sometimes also on mehndi, cooking and baking. And today I'm going to show you how you can do facial at home. If you want to look like 10 years younger than your real age, then you must do facial regularly. It's important to do facial once in a month, but if you are a 30 up age girl, then it's good to do facial 2 times in a month. That means you have to do facial after 15 days. If you can afford, then do facial in a parlor, because if you do facial in a parlor, your body and mind get relaxation, and if your body and mind get relaxed, then your skin also get relaxed too. And if you can't afford to go in a parlor, then don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do a parlor like facial at home. It's so easy to do. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So first I'm going to show you what products and ingredients you need to do this facial at home. So here is the products which I'm going to use for today's facial. First we have facial cleanser milk from pharmacy, then tea tree facial scrub, then lotus rose toner, then Patanjali aloe vera gel, and we have biotic masks, facial masks and biotic facial cream. I'm gonna show it later how it's look. And you're also gonna need facial stick for remove your black hairs from your nose, some blended cucumber, and a facial towel. You can use any towel, and a big size towel for taking steam on your face, some normal water to wash your face and massage your face, and some hot water for taking steam on your face. Now I'm going to show you biotic face pack and biotic massage cream, how it's look. This is biotic face pack, and this pack is very good for oily and acne prone skin. My skin is oily and sensitive, so this pack is very good for me according to my skin. Always choose the face pack according to your skin type. And this is biotic massage cream. This cream is actually for normal skin. I bought it in winter, but I'm also using it in summer too, because it suits my skin. But it's good to it if you buy the massage cream according to your skin type. I already washed my face with face wash, and now I'm gonna start my facial now. You can wrap a towel around your shoulder to avoid the messiness. I use a old dupatta or onna around my neck. So first I'm gonna use the cleanser. It's from pharmacy. First I take some water on my hand and I'm dabbing it all over my face, and then I'm gonna use the cleanser. With this cleanser, I'm gonna massage my face for 3 to 5 minutes, and always move your hand upward like I'm doing here. Never do downward, no, always upward. Move your hand upward always when you do the massage. Always massage your eye area with this finger. Use this finger to massage your eye area. When you are doing facial, wet your hands with water after some time to time. Take some water on your hand and then take some cleanser or cream on your hand. Mix them together and then massage it on your face. Now with this facial towel, I'm cleaning my face. You can use any other soft towel to clean your face. After cleaning it, I'm gonna use my second product. Our next item or product is facial scrub. I'm using tea tree facial scrub. With this facial scrub, I'm gonna massage my skin again for 3 to 5 minutes, and always massage the area where you have blackhead, whitehead, mostly the nose and chin area, and avoid your sensitive eye area. Never massage your eye area with the scrub. Take your time and massage gently. Now again, I'm cleaning my face with normal water and facial towel. Next, I'm gonna use facial massage cream, and I'm using Biotic facial massage cream. Always choose the massage cream according to your skin type. You can use any other massage cream as per your choice. With this massage cream, I'm gonna massage my face like 10 to 15 minutes. Always massage the cream little bit more time. Again, I'm taking water on my hand, and then I'm gonna massage my cream. Always wet your hand after time to time and then massage your face. Have black patches on your neck area, massage that area. It will help to reduce the black patches. Okay, next I'm gonna use now aloe vera gel. It's a Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any other aloe vera gel as per your choice. Always wet your hands while massaging your face in facial. Massage your face like I am doing. See the process how I am massaging my face, my eye area, my nose, my forehead, my chin area, and also my neck area. Now again I'm cleaning my face with normal water using this facial towel. Our face massaging process is done. Now what I am going to do, I will take steam on my face to remove the blackhead on my nose, and also my skin pore will open to clean up my skin. So let's start it. Okay, I took the hot water in a bowl, and before I take the steam, I'm putting some facial cream on my skin. That cream we have massaged my skin. Just put some facial cream on your face and then took the steam, and always close your eyes while taking steam. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay, time up. You can see my skin is looking so hydrated and soft. Okay, now I'm cleaning my face with facial towel, and I'm going to use the facial stick for remove my blackhead and whitehead. Actually, I don't have blackhead and whitehead on my face because I do facial regular way. But I'm showing you the process how you can do it. Don't press the stick hard on your face. Always be light-handed. If you push it so hard on your face, it cause your skin damage, and it will make a spot on your skin. Again, I'm cleaning my face with normal water, and now I'm going to use Lotus Rose Toner so that my open skin pores get closed. After taking steam, it's very important to use toner or ice cube so that your open pores get closed. Wait for few seconds so that your skin toner get dry. While your skin get dry, toner get dry, then we will use our facial masks. Here I am using Biotic face pack. This face pack is very good for oily and acne prone skin. Always choose the face pack according to your skin types. If you have dry skin, then use dry skin face pack, or if you have normal skin, then use normal skin face pack or mask. Always read the description and choose the pack. And always avoid the eye area when you are putting face pack or face masks on your face. Never use face pack or masks on your sensitive eye area. You can apply the face pack on your neck too. Okay, my face pack application is done. Now I am going to put some granite cucumber on my eye area. It will help to reduce my dark circle, and my eyes also get relaxed. It's little bit different to do it on your own, but you know, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, now in this way I'm going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 10 to 15 minutes I'm gonna wash my face. Yeah, I have done this DIY facial successfully. And don't smile while you have put the face pack or face mask on your face. After 10 to 15 minutes, now I'm going to wash my face. I removed the grated cucumber from my eyes, and now I'm taking some water on my hands and putting it all over my face, dabbing it all over my face, and after that I will massage this face pack for 1 minute, and after that I will clean it with normal water. Okay, now I am cleaning my face pack with normal water, and for cleaning this face pack I'm using facial towel. You can use any other soft towel for cleaning. And that's it, our parlor like DIY facial is done, and this is the final look. Look how smooth and beautiful and clean my skin is looking now. We have come to the end of this video, and viewers, if you don't subscribe yet my channel, then please do subscribe and help me to grow. Just click the red button below and also click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new videos, and it's absolutely free. And friends, if this video is helpful to you, then please give a like, share this video with your friends and family and social media. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.